My name is Jessie Nortje. I'm the receptionist here at Jetour Mahindra Johannesburg South. So I actually just matriculated this year, and my mom is an accountant here and everything, and they told me to come in and everything. And since that day I became the receptionist at 18 years old, and I'm loving it here. It's such a powerful company, and they're all so lovable and amazing here. What motivates me to work hard is every time someone comes into this company and they look down and everything, and you just start talking about them and what vehicle do they like and what do they see in this vehicle, and you see that smile comes up and you go an extra mile by making them a coffee or a cappuccino. And that's my motivation to work hard, to see just this family being completed with a vehicle and just a smile and coffee, It was a major one, to be honest, because you're so used to school being, I need to go to the bathroom, or what do I do now? Yeah, they tell you something, and it's not they leave you to suffer on your own. You just be like, I need help, and you have this whole major group coming to you and be like, you do this, if you don't understand this, come with me. And you don't have to ask, they know. Like, out of the complex, you have a bad day, at school you would have been like, no one would have actually cared. Yeah, they're on you. To be honest, they hug you and you've got this, just breathe. And that's what I love about this company. They always say to me, just breathe, you got this. How do I keep a positive mental state? To be honest, being in a car industry is not always the most positive. It's so much stressful, you're always alone. But how I keep my positive mental state and everything is, today's gonna be an amazing day. I keep my faith, I pray and I'll be like, we've got this, If something bad happens, something good has to come. After every bad storm, there's a rainbow. That's the mental state of this company. Yes, actually I do. Thanks to my mother-in-law, I can say this is, when you come into this industry, they say don't be too sensitive, don't be dramatic, but that's totally not true. You just need to be yourself. You have to be that powerful woman you are inside, you need to bring out. Don't let any man in this industry tell you, you cannot do that, because that's not the truth. You can do anything without being something you're not. You can be the most sensitive person on the world. You can be over dramatic. You can cry so easily, but you can still be the most powerful woman being in this industry. Talking to myself at this moment. It's the truth. Thank you so much for watching us today. I hope this gives you inspiration to come to Jetour Mahindra Johannesburg South, because you're going to feel like home here, and we're going to treat you like family, and I will make you a cappuccino if you'd like that.